When it comes to venting for non-condensing tankless gas water heaters, quality and performance matter. The ProTech venting system is built with durable stainless steel construction, ensuring long-lasting reliability in any installation. OEM tested and approved to the highest industry standards, the ProTech venting system provides safety and performance you can trust. Compared to our venting offered in the past, the 90-degree elbow design has slight variation in sizing, offering a compact solution while maintaining optimal airflow, making installation more efficient and effective. Proper venting is crucial for efficient operation of your tankless gas water heater. It helps remove combustion gases safely, prevents backdrafting, and maximizes system longevity, keeping your home safe and your water heater running at peak performance. Designed for easy installation, this system ensures a tight, secure fit to maintain venting efficiency and prevent leaks. Trust the venting system that's built to last. ProTech is engineered for performance, tested for safety, because your tankless water heater deserves the best. ProTech OEM Air and Water Parts, the OEM parts brand for the Rheem family of brands.